Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's do STAR with your push-up devices.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I struggle with STAR. STAR is something kind of scares me, and I like that you can do it with your push-up device. Now, you don't have to start here. You only need one push-up device, by the way. You don't have to start here, but this is a great tool, and you can make your own with some PVC pipe. Really inexpensive, really easy. You'll want to check out OnlinePilatesClasses.com for how to do that. We also added it to the sixth and final deck in the flashcard series for OnlinePilatesClasses.com. The reason why I wanted to add the STAR and also make sure you can make your own push-up devices is STAR on the reformer is actually quite hard. All right, it's not the side bend on the mat because that is a side bend exercise. You literally bend your side. STAR is a tall back exercise, so it should be, in theory, easier. But on the reformer, the carriage is moving. There's a whole leg choreography thing going on. A lot of us tend to hang out in our wrists and not have an arm back connection. So all the push-up device exercises help us with that arm back connection. And then, of course, the handstand challenges the heck out of that. But we know that wall push-ups are easier than push-ups on the floor, right? So wall STAR, also including the flashcard deck for the accessories, a wall STAR is going to be the easiest STAR. But then you want to move lower, right? And you can use a ladder barrel for that or the side of a Cadillac for that. That's good. But we got to get ourselves to a point where the angle is a bit more like it's going to be on the reformer. And that's where the push-up device helps, right? So I like to turn my push-up device handle sideways. All right, make sure it's on a sticky pad unless you have a gym floor, then you're probably good. Then I'm going to place my hand onto the push-up device with a straight wrist and step out into my STAR. Voila. And then from here, I can practice arm and leg up and down. I can practice arm and leg forward. Make sure you point that foot. I can practice arm forward, leg back. And I can repeat that. I can step in, turn around and do the other side, right? So I can practice, oh my gosh, if just holding it there is hard, I can just stay holding it, right? I can practice doing the up and down if that's what I need. If I feel like my form starts to fail as soon as I move my top arm and top leg, I can go back to the first one. And so once you've built up the choreography on STAR on the push-up devices, you're going to be golden. Absolutely golden. You'll be doing so great you can actually then add it to the reformer or the platform is moving because you'll have built that stamina up. So I hope this helps you add things in because here's the thing. We all want more Pilates in our lives, but time is hard. A lot of students have a lot of classes, but not a lot of space at the times you can go. And so what if you had tools at your home like the push-up devices to help you practice the connections you need so every time you went to class, you had more strength, more stamina, you got more out of it. That's my goal, not only at OPC for the classes that we offer for you to do on your own time, but for everybody to have access to more Pilates and actually get something out of it that's personal to them. So drop your question in the comments below. Go live on Sundays. And if you want to join us at OPC, go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com.